In this video, we're going to be talking about how you're going to send large files on your Discord without Nitro. Now, obviously, if I come over here to upload a file, and that file is definitely larger than the general size that Discord allows us, obviously, it's not going to go ahead and upload that for me. So if I go ahead and upload, let's say, this file over here. Now, if I do that, it says your files are too powerful. Total must be less than 500. So what do I do in that case? So in that case, we're going to go over to WeTransfer. Now, WeTransfer is an amazing online, Drive or OneDrive type thing where you simply upload a file for yourself. So let's say I'm going to add these two big files. Okay, they're, totally compiled of I think a gigabyte or so. Or let's say I'm going to go ahead and add this file. Now what I do is once it's uploaded, you're going to go ahead and click on get a link. And once you click on get a link, it's simply going to go ahead and give you a link. And what you're going to do is you're simply going to add that link over here. And if someone clicks on that link, they can easily go ahead and download whatever you have provided them directly from WeTransfer. And that is basically how you're going to send large files on Discord without Nitro. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.